For a conversation with an Idahoan set for a new adventure. On Friday, we learned that Representative Wendy Horman is set to resign from the legislature to join the United States Department of Health and Human Services. Horman served a major role at the State House as co-chair of Idaho's powerful budgeting committee, JFAC. This afternoon, I spoke with Representative Horman about her work at the State House and looking forward to her new role. Following a high-profile run atop Idaho's budgeting committee, Representative Wendy Horman is headed for a major new role.
Super excited about this opportunity. It just came across my radar screen around the 1st of November.
Director of the Office of Child Care within HHS.
What a great opportunity to make an even bigger difference for children, as I have work to do in the Idaho Legislature.
Horman got a lot of attention over the years through her work on JFAC, but beyond the budgeting headlines, she was working on other topics too, like child care.
This past year, we appropriated $14 million of federal funds to try and get 600 more providers and 6,000 new seats, working primarily through home-based care and small setting care, which we know is great for children if we can get enough seats in that space.
Horman will get to once again work alongside a high-profile Idahoan in the Trump administration, Dr. Alex Adams, now Assistant Secretary for Family Support, leading the Administration for Children and Families.
Super dynamic. We know how Alex works. It's innovative, it's strategic, it's effective. We saw what he did with foster care in the state of Idaho. He is now well on his way to doing that for our nation, and I'm excited to help him with whatever he needs in whatever role he needs me to do to make good things happen for children.
Horman's direction in the new role is set, based, she says, in her work for Idaho.
I want every single child to have an excellent opportunity for an education. The same thing applies for child care. If they need a care setting, we want that to be focused on ways that work for families, really trying to deregulate, that's his special, right, red tape reduction, but keep the safety and the protection for children in place.
The new role comes with a goodbye. Horman resigned her lawmaking role effective in January.
I will miss so many people. I've had the opportunity to work with great people in my 13 years in the legislature, and that's hard to walk away from. Also in a great position in the legislature to influence good policy. I'm not going to lose that part of it though. And those people that we make authentic connections with in politics, I'll still be in touch with.
As co-chair of JFAC, Horman was expected to be a part of a major debate on Idaho's revenue and budget forecast. Current estimates show a gap between spending and revenue, leading to questions about a balanced budget and what to do.
This is definitely a solvable problem, and it's, in my opinion, not a crisis at all. It's what we do in JFAC, is take the requests, make them work for the revenue we have, and move ahead.
Leadership in the House will fill her role as co-chair of the budgeting committee. Advice for her successor from her own experience?
As I sit down and listen to people, and if we can't do it exactly the way it's been requested, is there a different way we can get to a limited yes or some sort of yes? And so really having that willingness to sit down and listen to people is critical in the role of JFAC co-chair.
And Representative Horman points to her work in education, energy, environment, technology, as well as budgeting as personal high notes at the State House, saying that the work of transparency and accountability was something she's very proud of. Representative Horman will be replaced in terms of her legislative seat and as the co-chair of JFAC in the coming weeks.